In the work of George Orwell, plenty of characters have a big impact on the story. But for me, Benjamin the donkey seems very different and very loud without even talking. Benjamin is very intelligent but chooses to stay completely silent. His silence is full of meaning. The fact is that he wasn't an ignorant. Quite the opposite, he was totally aware of the changes and the corruption around him. Benjamin is defined by his cynicism and his skepticism. His character is very deep and realistic. When someone asked him if he was happier after the rebellion, he said, "Donkeys live a long time. Have you ever seen a dead donkey?" This sentence proved that Benjamin didn't feel different or free about the situation. He was just here, surviving and never complaining. Benjamin was one of the only animals on the farm able to read correctly. Therefore, he witnessed Pig's modification of the seventh commandment and yet stayed completely quiet. He knew everything but didn't have enough hopes to fight against Napoleon. And at the moment he tried to help his friend Boxer, it was too late. So this is why I think his character is very deep, meaningful and thoughtful. So this is why he's the most interesting character in the book. One of the most important lessons I learned in Animal Farm is that power can lead corruption. At the beginning of the story, animals want a fair and equal society when everyone is equal, but as the pigs take control, they start to abuse their power. Napoleon in particular becomes a dictator, using fear and lies to stay in charge. At the end of the story, as the pigs become just as bad as humans, they replay.
I think that the animal farm is becoming a worse place because at first the animals were hopeful for a better life, but as things go on, it becomes harder. Firstly, Napoleon becomes a dictator and he uses dogs to scare the animals, and they do no longer have voices in farm decisions. Then they work more than they have food, so they work harder, and this shows that instead of enjoying the freedom they fought for, they're only working as they worked before for Mr. Johnson. And also, the pigs are changing the rules to benefit themselves. Like, they're not supposed to sleep in beds or eat or wear clothes or drink alcohol, but they'll change the rules so that they can do it but not the other animals. So this shows that power can be corrupt, and that if you don't stand up for your rights, history can repeat itself.
If you lived on Animal Farm, would you follow Napoleon or Snowball? Snowball is smart, kind, and honest. He is a great leader. He accomplished several good actions for the farm, like writing the 7 commandments or created the windmill. Napoleon is a manipulator. He is not honest. He is mean, and he will take the power of the farm.